What's going on, guys? Shiny Stuff here. Today we're going to be doing another installment, so to speak, of the off-label videos that I've been doing. Actually, we've only had one so far, but this is going to be a second off-label video. And today we're going to be featuring Stoner's Tarminator. Great product to have in your arsenal. It's pretty inexpensive. This retails for anywhere from $6 to $9, depending on where you buy it. It's a great product to have as it is on label. It removes, you get tree sap or some type of road tar on your paint. It's a great product to use to remove that safely and easily without marring the surface of your paint. Now, it can also be used, another way I like to use it off label, and I can't really demonstrate today, but it can remove a lot of grime you have on your wheels. Let's say you have a car with a vehicle that had a CV boot tear and you got a bunch of grease on that inner wheel well. Something like Stoner's Tarminator will help remove that quickly and easily, especially if you're fearful of using a product like a acid-based wheel cleaner. But today the way we're going to be using it is I got these tires on this 2016 Challenger, finishing up this detail for this car, and we're going to be coating these tires. But I've cleaned these tires multiple times with APC. I have a previous video about cleaning tires, prepping them for whatever tire dressing you're going to be putting on them. For these, we're going to be doing Optimum's tire protection and coating, but prior to that, I want to get these as clean as possible. Again, I've cleaned these several times with an APC, a brush, scrubbed them down, but as you can see, there's still a little bit of browning, so a little bit of dirt. That's where the Stoner's Tarminator comes in. Take one of your old beach towels, load it up with some Tarminator. Make sure you have good ventilation because this stuff has a pretty strong chemical smell. We're going to get a bit on the towel there and just wipe the surface of our tire. What you'll see is that it'll, in essence, give you a nice, clean surface. It'll get that last remaining bit of dust and grime off the surface of the tire, leaving it nice and clean. I don't know if that's picking up on there, but there's some of that dirt and grime in there. Should have used a different color towel, but as you can see, the area where we had the browning is kind of gone. We've removed that. It's nice, feels smooth and clean. Nothing's coming off really on my hand. But it's left a nice clean surface for us to add whatever tire protection we're going to use, so that nothing interferes with that protection, whatever it is you're going to use, bonding to the tire. Pretty simple process. Spray on your towel, wipe down your tire. What I don't recommend is spraying it directly onto the tire. There's a lot of petroleum-based products in the Tarminator that aren't good for rubber, so don't overuse it. Just spray some on the towel, wipe your tire down. You're ready to go to apply. Let it dry, and then you can apply whatever tire dressing you're going to use. So that's it for this off-label. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. Have a good one.